Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect devices in a haunted dorm. Dorm rooms often present unique challenges for reliable internet access, feeling almost as if unseen forces are disrupting your signal. We'll explore how to overcome these common hurdles, ensuring your devices stay connected and perform optimally. From weak Wi-Fi signals to mysterious disconnections, we'll cover practical steps to establish a stable and fast network. Get ready to banish those connectivity ghosts and enjoy seamless online experiences. First, let's diagnose the haunts affecting your connection. Many dorms have thick concrete walls or numerous metal objects that can severely block Wi-Fi signals, reducing strength by up to 50%. Also, consider the sheer number of devices in close proximity. Microwaves, mini-fridges, and even other Wi-Fi networks can create significant electromagnetic interference. Use a network analyzer app to visualize signal strength and identify congested channels, helping you pinpoint the invisible culprits. Now, let's optimize your dorm network to banish those connectivity issues. Position your Wi-Fi router in an open, central location, ideally at least 3 feet off the ground, to maximize signal reach. If possible, use a dual-band router, separating your devices onto the less congested 5 GHz band for faster speeds, reserving the 2.4 GHz band for older devices. For devices requiring stable, high-speed connections, like a desktop computer or gaming console, a direct Ethernet cable connection is always superior, offering speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second. Finally, let's discuss advanced troubleshooting and security measures. Regularly updating your router's firmware can resolve bugs and improve overall performance, sometimes boosting speeds by 10 to 15%. Always use a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network to prevent unauthorized access and potential bandwidth theft. For an extra layer of privacy and security, especially when using shared dorm Wi-Fi, consider employing a virtual private network, or VPN. This encrypts your internet traffic, protecting your data from prying eyes and ensuring a more secure online experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.